Here on the bench we have a 4th generation gasoline-powered helicopter UVH-170, built in accordance with an industry standards and safety in mind. The helicopter is equipped with a starter generator unit, which allows us to decrease the helicopter empty weight. The power plant is equipped with a fuel injection system, which increases the fuel efficiency and decreases emissions. As an option, the helicopter can be equipped with a retractable landing gears that may be required for a special purpose payload. It will not obstruct the camera equipment field of view. The UVH-170 is equipped with an electric tail rotor system, which does not require a complicated transmission system, and as a result decreases the helicopter's structural weight and vibration, and increases the overall system reliability. The fact that there is no transmission allowed us incorporation of an emergency rescue system into the tail boom. All the UV components are produced out of aviation-grade materials. The vertical stabilizer carbon pre-preg. The helicopter mainframe is milled out of the lightweight aluminum alloy. This brings the helicopter structural weight down. For example, a 6-liter fuel tank weighs just 340 grams. The wiring loom is put together using the best aviation practices. A well-thought helicopter arrangement provides for an easy access to all of the components for maintenance and inspection. A number of systems and algorithms are incorporated into the helicopter to increase the flight safety. For example, an auto-rotation mode will allow the helicopter to land safely in an engine-out event. An emergency rescue system deployed from the tail boom can significantly reduce the impact on the ground. A redundant power supply will provide power to all of the critical systems in event of generator failure. A backup C2 link is fitted to the aircraft. As an option, a satellite data link can be installed to allow for BVLOS operations. The helicopter has a provision for installation of emergency buoyancy devices, which will prevent it from sinking in an event of water landing. Relying on the radio altimeter, the helicopter is capable of precise landing in any conditions and enables a terrain-following flight mode. A detailed set of documentation is supplied along with the UAV to support our customers during flight operations. The helicopter has a detachable tail boom and a folding landing gears, which reduces the system footprint during transportation. The flight performance of this machine is impressive. The flight time with a 4-kilo payload can be up to 5 hours depending on the flight conditions. The practical ceiling is up to 5,000 meter pressure altitude. The operational temperature ranging between -40 to +50 degrees centigrade. Ability to operate in harsh conditions such as rain and wind speeds of up to 40 meters per second. Our specialists are ready to provide a hardware and software support 24/7. For the hardware support, we keep a full stock of all of the aircraft components available for shipment to maintain your fleet operational readiness.